So let's explore the pleat menu. We're going to go to piece, create piece, and then going to give you a rectangle. And we could see from the rectangle how to create pleats from this. We're going to name it piece 1. This is just an exercise for you to see. Now we go into piece menu, and then go into pleats menu, and then we're going to try knife pleats. Okay? Select the pleat line for the knife pleats. So in order to create any pleats, we need a pleat line. So pleat line, we have to create a pleat line right down here. So I'm going to cancel out this function, and then I'm going to go into line, create line, digitize. I could click right here, and then right click, vertical, bring it all the way down, and then I don't want a curved line, 2-point curve. I'm going to change it to regular line, so it will be a straight line, and click OK. Okay, so that's our line that we're going to start the pleating. Go into piece, pleats, knife pleats. Okay, knife pleat, and make sure you check this, and then notch fold is already on default, so you're okay. So this will be the line that we want to do knife pleats. Enter half of the underlay. So if I want a 2-inch pleat, I'm going to do 1 inch for the underlay. This is called the underlay, where you fold the pleats down here. And I'm going to click OK. Number of pleats, I'm going to do 1. Okay, so you can see the first one, what it looked like. The lay side, whether you want the pleats to fold this way or that way, it's up to you. I'm going to fold this side. Okay, internal line, I just click this, it will go. Pick up that internal line. So select so you can see now I have the notches going that way. That's a knife pleat. So I'm going to go back, and now I'm going to show you piece, create a piece, pleats, and I'm going to do box pleat. Basically it's the same function. Select the pleating for the box pleats right here, and then halfway of the under piece, let's do 0.5. I'm going to do 0.5 for the box pleats, and then number of pleats, I wanted 5 of them, and I'm going to click 5. The distance between each other, I'm going to make it 1 inch, and I'm going to click OK. Select the pleat opening side. Obviously it have to be this side because otherwise I don't have enough room. Internal line, click this again, and I'm going to click OK. So you can see now I have the inverted pleat with the notch all indicated. Okay, so I'm going to X out this, and I'm going to show you what happened if we're doing the variable pleating. Okay, so we're going to make a new piece, create piece, rectangle. Okay, let's create a rectangle like this. Let's pretend it's piece 1 again, just an exercise. This time we're going to piece, pleats, variable pleats. And then just remember it's similar to the fullness menu. So if it's variable piece, pleats, we're going to go from up and down, like how we do variable fullness menu. It's the same thing. So let me just make 3 line, random line, vertical, go all the way down here. Make this one, random line, go all the way down here, vertical, down here, make another one, vertical, all the way down here, and I'm going to hit OK. So what remains stationary? Let's do the center front, internal line, any box, okay. Position, now it will go left, go to the first pleats how we want to position this, but we want to change to value mode. I click with the both mouse down, left and right at the same time, change to value mode, and it will have the distance. So enter the distance for the new position. Over here will be the plus, so we're going to do positive 1 inch. Okay, and then enter distance for a new position. I'm going to make a 2-inch at the bottom, 1 inch on top, 2-inch at the bottom, 1 inch on top, 2-inch at the bottom. Okay, so now we format this curve of the skirt go up. And you could select knife pleats or box pleats, depends how you want your skirt to look like. I'm going to select knife pleats. And then we say which side you want to lay. I'm going to lay on this side. And then they will say pleat type again. It's for this pleat, the second pleat. We're going to say knife pleats, lace side. I'm going to say this side again. Knife pleats for this one, lace side will be this side again. And then right click, okay. So now you have a variable pleating. Up here 1 inch, down here 2 inches, and then it just go on for the next step. Okay, now we're going to create another rectangle to see how we use the same way for pleating, but using a taper finish, taper pleating. Piece, pleat, taper pleat. Create a slash line from pivot point end to open end. So I'm going to do a pack skirt, so I will do from pivot end to open end right here, pivot end to open end right here, and pivot end to open end right here. Okay, and I'm going to say okay. Location to remain stationary, obviously is center front. Internal line, click any box, click OK. Position, now we're going to change that to value mode. And obviously the pack will be up here. So let's make this 2 inches each pleat, another 2 inches. You could change the width if you want. This just indicate how we want our pack skirt to look like. And then the first pleats, we'll say knife pleats, lace side on this side, next one knife pleat, lace side on this side, next one knife pleat, lace side on this side. Okay, so this is how your taper pleats look like.